Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with security and distribution groups within Office 365. So what we are going to do, we are going to log into our Office 365 and we are going to see that how do we create a security group and distribution group, and then how do we use them, how do we manage their membership. Let's get started. So all you need to do, first of all, log into your admin console and make sure that who you are logged in with. Basically we need at the moment we are working with a global admin, so I'm going to just jump onto, as soon as you click on admin, it takes you to the admin center, and within admin center we need to go down to exchange online. So exchange online, which is right here, you can click on show all and click on exchange online. So this is exchange admin center. It takes you to the exchange admin center. It asks you to log in. Now groups are of two types: security group and distribution group. Security groups are used for permissions. Distribution groups are used to send email. In both cases, in both cases, basically what we need to do is we create a group, and then you can use them to send email to all of the members that are part of the group, or you can use that group to set up permissions. So there are these four types of groups available: Microsoft 365 group, distribution list, mail enabled security group, and dynamic distribution group. So all you need to do, first of all, let's start with Microsoft 365 group. So Microsoft 365 group basically is a group that can be used for all 365 Microsoft 365 services. Meaning, if we create a group here, that group can be used with SharePoint, it can be used with Teams, as compared to all these other groups. So these distribution list is only used to send emails to that group. Mail enabled security group, it is used to send email plus set up security for with this group. And dynamic distribution list is the same as distribution list, but dynamic distribution list is based on a rule that is created. It is made, the members are added to the group based on the rule. For example, I can set up a rule that all the people who are having department name of sales should be part of our distribution list. So, whereas in distribution list we add manually members. So first of all, let's create Microsoft 365 group. So I'm going to go here and add a group. And then right here it's saying that what type of group do you need to make. So we are creating this group, and here it says allows teams to collaborate by giving them a group email and shared workspace for conversation, file, calendar. In Outlook, these are called just simple groups, whereas distribution is create an email address for the group of people. So it will be one email address for 50 people in that group. And here send messages to all the member of the group and give access to the resources like OneDrive, SharePoint, and admin roles. Whereas send email to a member of list, but the group membership list is redefined each time as message is sent based on the filter or the condition. So first of all, let's create a Microsoft 365 group. Let's name this as test dash M365 group. So GRP group, and that's it. So next, in here let's add the owner. So owner is basically the one that who is creating. So I am basically the owner of this group. So I'm gonna add, and then next, here are the members. So who are the members that will be part of this group? So we can go to add members, and I'm gonna add let's say Alan, Alana, and we can add one more, Ali Khan and Alex. So four people, three people. Okay, so this is basically one by one. Why is it saying one by one? Okay, so when you press keep pressing control and then click on the user, then you can select multiple users. So otherwise one user is selected. So I've selected Ellen, Alana, and Alex, just four people, three people, and add. So three are members of this group. Remember that if Office 365 group, and here I'm going to give the name of the group. So for the name, I'm going to bring it back from the name of the group. So I'll just keep the same name of the email address. So this will be the email address of the group, and this will be group will be public. Public group, meaning that the public groups can be joined to everyone, joined by everyone without getting approval from group owner, and private groups aren't open and for everyone to join them, and group owners are the one that can add members only. So we are going to keep that public, and that's it. And next, and create a group. So this is how we create this group. Now, since there are members in this group, how do you test this group out? So in order to test that group out, I'm going to go to one of the members and open his mailbox. So for example, Alex was one of the members, so we can go to active users. And if you don't have these users, if you're following the videos, all of the videos, we have this list of 500 users. You can find Alex, or you can create a new user and then try to add as a member and then log into the mailbox. So in here, I'm just gonna need the email address, and I'm gonna open in private window another browser and go to we can go to outlook.office.com, or I can log into Alex Office portal, and from here we can log in with Alex, use his password to log in, and next. So the user is logged in. So as soon as the user is logged in, since we are logged into the Office portal, we are not directly going to Outlook. So for this screen, I'm just going to click skip setup and next. So from the Office portal, we can see all of the applications based on the license. So these all users are using E5 license. So I'm going to open Outlook. Just open Outlook, and once you open Outlook, and if the group is properly created, then we should be able to see the group in Outlook within the user properties. Sorry, within the user Outlook profile. So Alex Outlook is logged in, and on this side, this is a group, and within the group, that group is available here. So this is what it means to have being a member. So now whatever emails are sent to this group, Alex will be able to find those emails right here. So for example, let's try that out, and I'm going to send a new email to this group. And sending an email to the group, either you know the email address of the group. So in order to know the email address of the group, we can go back to the groups here, and you can go to active groups, and actually, you can find it right from here within the admin center, or you can basically go to this place here within Exchange Admin Center. I'm going to close this. Group is created because we can see that in Alex mailbox, but I'm still in the group, and within the group, I should be able to find that right here. So this group, and I can find his email address, the group's email address. We can go to, oh, this is the email address that I will be sending email to, and we can just jump back to the private browser, type the email address here, or you can type the first word, or in otherwise, even if you don't want to type the email, you can go to, then you can go to you should be able to find the group here as well. Yeah, group is right here. Okay, so just sending a test email, test. And so what are we testing? We are testing that if we send an email to the group, So Alex should be able to see that within the test. So this is an mail from Alex. So this is what Office 365 group is. And let's create the second group. So second group, which is distribution list. So we can create a distribution list. Creating a distribution list is also not difficult, and the main purpose of this group is just to send emails. So I'm going to create a distribution list. Click next. Here we are going to say that this is test dash. This is a group for test dash. So finance DL. So finance DL. So this is a test and it's for finance group and it's a DL. And next here settings. So let me copy the name here, and next here, and within this we can just create this group. Should this be an open group, everyone can join this group, or should it be a closed group, or owner approval is required? I'm just gonna keep it open on both sides and click next and create a group. Now that group will be created in few minutes, so I'm just going to give it few minutes, but at the same time I am going to create a mail enabled security group. So mail enabled security group, the advantage is that you can create a group with which you can set up permissions as well as you can send them email as well. So it does two things, whereas distribution group you can only send them emails. So mail enable security group, I'm about to create a mail enable security group. It is created exactly in the same manner, so I'm just going to say test, and let's say this group is for HR, and it is mail enabled security group. So mail enabled security group, just for our understanding. And one more time we need to type the name here, and in this case I am going to copy the name here. So go back and copy the name, provide the name, communication approval, and nothing is required here, and group is created. So far what we did, we created three groups. We have created Microsoft 365 distribution list and mail enabled security group. So in this video, so we have created the group. We have also tested on Microsoft 365. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to work with dynamic distribution group and how to test them, and we can test these other groups within the second video as well. Thank you for watching this video.